Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Aerones News and Updates. I'm your host, Aerones News, and today we bring you an energizing roundup of breakthroughs, innovations, and global milestones from across the Aerones world. Let's get started. Our flagship leading-edge repair robot has already transformed the industry by enabling Category 1 through 3 leading-edge erosion repairs at scale. Now, I won't disclose too much, but our R&D team has been working on something big. A new robotic UV curing technology for Category 4 and 5 leading-edge erosion repair. This technology will significantly expand what's possible with robotic blade repair and will bring the wind industry closer to fully automated blade maintenance. By the way, if you want to learn more on the subject, check out the latest PES Wind magazine. We have an article dedicated on this topic on page 74. During our recent Robotic Blade Repair Secrets webinar, we shared this innovation along with several other exciting technology developments. If you missed it and would like to watch this recording, simply contact us at sales@aerones.com and we'll send you the link. Visual inspections generate thousands of images and defect findings, but identifying defects is only the beginning. The real challenge is turning all that data into confident maintenance decisions. That's why we've completely rebuilt the Aerones Customer Portal and Visual Inspection Studio. The new platform creates a seamless workflow that takes you from raw inspection imagery to clear, actionable insights. Please get in touch. We'd be happy to schedule a conversation to show you how the complete Aerones wind operation platform can support your fleet. Following the success of our inaugural workshop and demo day at our North American headquarters in Denton, Texas, we're excited to announce our next customer event at our global headquarters in Riga, Latvia. On October 28 and 29, we will have an exclusive technology deep dive featuring live demonstrations of our robotic solutions inside our testing facility and R&D laboratory. Stay tuned, seats are very limited. We'll be sharing registrations details soon. We're proud to share that Aerones has been recognized as one of the world's top GreenTech companies in 2026 by TIME magazine and Statista. Out of more than 8,300 companies evaluated worldwide, Aerones was ranked number 9 among the published list of 300 companies. This recognition reflects our mission to transform wind turbine maintenance through robotics, AI, and data-driven inspections. This helps renewable energy industry improve safety, increase efficiency, and extend the lifespan of critical infrastructure. A huge thanks to our customers, partners, and most importantly, our incredible team whose dedication and innovation made this achievement possible. It's time for a feel-good story. At Aerones, we spend our days helping protect renewable energy assets. But every now and then, we're reminded that we're also working in the middle of nature's backyard. During a recent leading-edge repair project in Texas, our crew was approached by a very curious local resident who seemed determined to carry out an inspection of our equipment. Apparently, the robot passed quality control because after a thorough sniff test, our new four-legged friend decided to stick around. We're not saying that we hired a new field technician, but we are accepting applications for the position of Chief Curiosity Officer. On that note, we're growing and looking for exceptional talent to join our team. If you are passionate about technology, robotics, aviation, or renewable energy, this is your chance to drive innovation in the wind energy sector. We are currently seeking drone pilots and robotic technicians. If you are ready to elevate your career, we would love to hear from you. We're looking forward to connecting with many of you in person at upcoming industry events around the globe. Please keep an eye out for the Aerones team at Wind Energy Hamburg, happening from September 22nd through September 25th. We'll also be in Paris on October 7th and 8th for the Colloque National de France on renewable energy. We'd love to see you there, so please be sure to stop by and say hello. That's it for this edition of Aerones News and Updates. Be sure to follow us on LinkedIn and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with the latest technology and stories from the field. I'm Aerones News, and until next time, stay powered up.